Don't throw away your leftover chilies. Today, I am going to show you how to turn one single pepper into a massive year-long harvest in just 112 days. Start by slicing a fresh chili and removing the seeds. Plant them shallowly into the soil and add a bit of water. At 20 degrees Celsius, these seeds find the perfect environment to sprout. First, you will see the primary root breaking through, followed by tiny secondary roots that soak up water and nutrients. By day 8, the seedlings will emerge, but they are too crowded to grow properly. Carefully transplant them into individual pots. We only plant one seedling per pot because these plants will eventually grow quite large. Peppers love warmth. If it is early spring and the temperature is low, use a transparent cover to create a mini greenhouse. This provides the warm and humid environment they need to thrive. By day 35, if growth seems slow, clear away any weeds. At day 68, prune the lower leaves to focus the plant's energy on the fruit. To fertilize, dig a small hole at the edge of the pot and add a spoonful of mixed fertilizer. This prevents the roots from burning while providing essential nutrients. By day 75, the plant will be covered in beautiful white flowers. After natural pollination, the first green chilies will appear by day 90. Remember to fertilize every 10 to 15 days during this stage. By day 112, the green chilies turn into a vibrant red. A few plants are enough to feed your entire family for a whole year. This process is easy, rewarding, and sustainable. If you found this helpful, follow Farming Dairy for more smart growing methods.